You know, there's a line, and you cross it the moment you put the helmet on. It's not just getting ready to ride, it's a ritual, the same every time. And yet, it always feels like the first. Outside the helmet, the world is loud, chaotic, full of other people's expectations and endless phone notifications. But in here, all of that disappears. What's left is your breathing, muffled, slow. And that strange pause, that moment of waiting, right before you press the starter button. Wondering what changes after that second. I won't lie, today was supposed to be different, but sometimes the road decides for you. Turned out the castle only opens to visitors from March. I won't say the name yet. We'll be back there, in spring, when everything turns green and the place feels different. And honestly, I wasn't even disappointed, because riding Irish back roads toward the sea and the cliffs is never the worst option. I like those places not only in summer, when you can jump into the water. I like them like this too, with a jacket on, with the wind in your face, just sitting by the shore, watching the waves crash into the rocks. I'm not in a hurry, and you don't need to be either. Sometimes people ask me what a motorcycle means to me, and usually they expect an answer about speed, about adrenaline, about freedom. And I'll admit it, I use that word too. But the truth is, freedom has been overused. It's worn out. It's lost its weight. Because on a motorcycle, the first feeling is not freedom. The first feeling is responsibility. Heavy, real, unfiltered. First gear, and the world goes quiet. Every meter is your decision. Every mistake is yours. In a car, you're wrapped in metal, airbags, and that false sense that everything will be fine. On a motorcycle, nothing hides you. Between you and the asphalt, there are just a few millimeters of fabric, and your head. And that exposure, that fragility, is what makes you feel alive.